Good morning, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I am doing an Easter Dotticure. I have 5 different colors on my fingers. This is China Glaze, Shocking Pink, White Cream, YOLO Yellow, Candy Hearts, and my thumb is OPI's I Am What I Amethyst. That was that one. China Glaze, Candy Hearts by Sinful, YOLO Yellow by Sinful, and my white is White Cream by Wet n Wild. I'll put on my nail polish, and I put them on a cap. I just take the end of my fan brush, take it, dip it in, dot it on my nails, which I am going to do for you now. I do have a coat on this base coat on that was given to me. Thank you, Tammy. I did start previously just to get myself a head start. So I am going to continue with the blue. The Candy Hearts. Gotta get me some of that on my nails. So here we are. Whoa. Take it, get any size dotting tool that you want. Make sure you have a cotton ball handy so you can wipe the end of your dotting tool off, as well as your cap. Oh, guess I should do more than one finger. Hello. You can tell it's early in the morning. It is 6:01 a.m. here in Michigan. Couldn't sleep too well last night, so here I am messing with my nails. But this is what I do when I can't sleep. Whoops. Gotta get in there with the dotting tool. Okay, wipe it off with your cotton ball, as well as your cap. Next, we're going to go in with our YOLO Yellow. I like doing Easter manicures. There are lots and lots you can pick from. Lots and lots of different ones to do. Hope you're enjoying this little video of mine. I'm trying to not make my videos quite so lengthy anymore. So I had some that were running into the 10-minute mark, I think it was. Okay, next we are going to do my Shocking Pink by China Glaze. Make sure before you start you shake your bottles up a little bit. Get your polish mixed really good. Then let the bottle rest before you open it, like maybe 2 minutes. I think this is turning out really cute. We already got the pink on there. So we're going to go over here to this finger, pick it up over here. I think this is really cute. Really cute. Leave me down in the comments, what do you think about this? What is your favorite Easter design? This will be my, whoops. Guess we can't put that pink on pink. That wouldn't even show up. Leave me down in the comments what's your favorite Easter design, and we'll see if I can duplicate it. So we have yet to do our purple. Let me wipe off the cap. I Am What I Amethyst by OPI. This is my OPIs I got off of BeyondPolish.com. They are a reduced price on there than going to Ulta, Sally's. Oh, the purple I did, I'm just going to touch up a couple of them. I think this turned out really, really cute. So there we are. We have, I believe, all our colors are pink, blue, white, yellow, and purple. Once these dry, you put your top coat on. I like to use a fast drying top coat. I use Sush Feet. I got this off of the internet, which was like, in the end, it was $7 and some change, which is approximately what you're going to pay for if you go to Sally's. But if you go to Sally's, you can get their discount card and you save a percentage off. I am going to get my trusty little lipstick and my fingernail polish remover and do some cleanup, because I am seeing on a few of my nails some polish, and we gotta take care of that. Gotta take care of that. Hope you're all having a nice morning. I'm sure the majority of you are still sleeping. There we go. These are not dry enough yet to put my top coat on, so I will do that off camera. Hope you have a good day. Remember, hit the like button. Share this if you'd like to. Leave me a comment down below about what you think or what is your favorite Easter manicure. And have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.